how to create Facebook account or how to make Facebook account in 2021. It is too much easy and simple to create Facebook account in 2021. So if you are also getting any kind of issues related with the Facebook account creation, then this is the right video for you. Just you have to watch this video until the last and you will be also able to create your Facebook account. Okay guys, so hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So guys, how to create a Facebook account? So for this one, so now you can see, first of all you have to type facebook.com and you have to press enter. Then now you will get this type of the window, and now you can see here there is a two option available. The first option is a login and the second option is the create new account. So in this time just you have to click in the create new account. Okay, now Facebook will give me a new window. Okay, so now we can see here is a window, and I'm just using my name. Okay, so in this time I'm just using for example Rajan Bhattarai, and I'm just now you can see here in the form it's telling me that mobile number or email. It means if you are trying to create your Facebook account using mobile number, in that case you have to put your mobile number. Otherwise, if you are creating your Facebook account using your email account, in that case you have to use your email here. Okay, but in this time I'm using email. Okay guys, so now I am just using the email account here, and so now we can see it's telling me that re-enter your email, right? So in this time I am just using my email account again, and now you can see here just you have to confirm your email 2 times. Now it's asking me the password, and now I can see it's giving me a hint also. So according to the Facebook, I need to use a few uppercase, I need to use numbers, lowercase, and the special types of character when you are creating the Facebook password, and it will be more safe. Okay, so in this time I'm just using, okay, I am just typing. So now you can see it's asking me the date of birth, so I am just choosing my date of birth, and I'm just selecting that one, and now it's asking me the gender. So if you are a female, then in that case you have to choose female. If you are a male, just you have to choose the male, or if you don't want to specify your gender, then in that case just choose the custom. But in this time I am just choosing male. After choosing this one, just click in the sign up. So now you can see your Facebook will send you a verification code inside your email. So I think Facebook is giving me some errors. Sorry, I think I should do uh, open my Gmail. Maybe Facebook send me a email. Okay, I will check that one and it will work. I am just trying that one. Okay, so I think the Facebook didn't send me any email in this time. So it's still we couldn't create account, we are not able to sign off for Facebook. So I am just using those email ID again, and now I am just using just okay, and I'm just choosing my date of birth from this site. Okay, oh sorry, maybe before when I was creating my Facebook account, in that time I put the wrong email, sorry, wrong date of birth. Okay, so that's why the Facebook didn't create a Facebook account for me. So now I am just again selecting the gender, then after that I am just clicking in the sign up. Okay, okay, so after clicking in the sign up, so maybe Facebook will send me a code inside my registered email. It's loading. Okay, so now I can say here also Facebook loading. Maybe it will take little bit time. Okay, so now we can see here, now Facebook is telling me that confirm email. Okay, so now you can see here it's telling me that enter the code from your email. Now Facebook send me an email maybe. So now we can see here inside the social, maybe it should be the email. Okay, so now we can see here is an email available inside here, and I have to copy this code. Okay, I'm just copying this code, and after that I need to go here and I need to paste that code. Okay, so after that, so now you can see here, uh, after pasting that code, the code is okay, right? So now you can see here there is another option also available. You can directly click in the confirm your account or directly paste the code. So the code is not working, maybe due to my slow internet connection, so that's why. So I'm just clicking in the confirm your account. Maybe this will also work. And so now you can see here, it's loading, but my internet speed is not good in this time, that's why it's taking a little bit long time. Okay, so now uh, it's it's loading. Now you can see here, it's giving me the two links, right? So in this way you can create Facebook, but wait for a moment, I'll show you. Okay guys, so now you can see here, now Facebook give me a different option, so I can upload my profile picture and I can find people, okay, so there are various options available. So for example, if I want to add a profile picture, in that case just you have to click in the add profile picture, then you have to upload your full for your profile picture. In this way you can easily create your Facebook account, okay, and you can search your friend list from here, or you can take a privacy tool also. For the privacy setting, just go to here and click in the setting and privacy, and from here you will get the different types of the settings for your Facebook account. So now you can see my Facebook account has been created using email account. But if you are creating Facebook account using your phone number, then in that case Facebook will send a verification code in your registered mobile number. Then in that case, after that you have to put your registered sorry, your verification code in that window. Then after that you have to confirm that code. After that you will be easily able to create your Facebook account. Okay guys, so hoping that you get few ideas. Okay, so if you are getting any kind of issues when you are creating Facebook account, let me know in the comment section, and that's it. Hoping that you get few ideas about the Facebook account creation. So if you are still getting any kind of issues with these topics, then let me know in the comment section and I'll make a separate video on that topic also. But if you are getting any kind of issues, or if you want to recover your Facebook account, then you can check my previous video, which is I have already uploaded inside my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so you can check that one, or I'll give you the video link in the video description. You can check that one also. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.